Over 2,330 square feet. Air-conditioned space. 2-story beautiful 3 bedrooms, 2 half baths, 2 in the Carolina Club, surrounded by lush landscaping, located on a corner lot location with an oversized driveway. Volume ceilings, double door entry. $372,000, new listing. Beautiful 1-story home located on interior lakefront lot plus cul-de-sac location, perfect for any family with A+Schools in Coconut Creek. Updated kitchen with tumble marble backsplash with stainless steel appliances and granite counters, and breakfast bar which opens to breakfast area and family room. West/Lake Views.Custom Crown Moldings throughout all living areas. Large extended screened patio. Updated master bath with large walk-in shower and updated vanities for his and her. Master bedroom overlooks Lake West, a large walk-in closet. Updated guest bathroom, accordion shutters, tiled garage with workbench, pull-down attic for extra storage. 4 Night Owl Security Cameras.Great location, easy access to Boca Raton+all Major Highways, close to Promenade for shopping plus dining. Low maintenance fees,